from the caravan. We had a good night's sleep. Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah, you set the bed up the wrong way.
Dito yung ulo namin last night. And then I realized that I could not stretch my legs. Ito pala, dapat dito yung head namin. Or, umaga na. What time is it? Let me check. It's 8 in the morning.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to work.
Are you?
No.
It's 11 degrees.
11 already.
11 degrees.
So, outside, inside.
Maybe outside, I'm not sure. Yeah. And today is Saturday. No, it's Friday today, guys. And we're at the farm. You see my pimple there? That's my power. Right there.
That's her witch's wart.
My power.
Witch's wart.
Power. Power. Have I showed you already, guys? Ito yung aming caravan. Andun yung driver's seat, oh. Doon. Then passenger seat. Meron kaming TV dyan. I'm not sure if it's working. We have air conditioner. And the toilet right there. Microwave. Cupboards. Storage. Lots of storage. And fridge right there. A little sink there. And a little kitchenette. And yeah. That's how it looks like. Welcome to the farm, people. Fresh from the farm. Guys, the toilet is smaller than the airplane lavatory. Can hardly get out there. Hanap tayo naman. Oh, it's cold. Cup of coffee, people. Si Baba. What? Ay, cup of tea, sorry. And I'm editing a video for you to watch, peeps. So, just patiently wait, okay? Because we don't have an internet here. So, most probably you would watch this video when we get back to Perth. So, abang-abang lang. Good morning, peeps, from the farm. Fresh from the farm tayo. And, grabe, sobrang maliwanag. Hindi ko alam po ng oras naman. Siguro mga 9 something na. Tingnan nyo yung ano, oh. So, this is how the farm looks like. Ayan siya, guys. So, gorgeous, diba? Ayan yung may silo-silo doon. Ayan. So nice. The old house daw. That's where Papa grew up. The fattest cat I've ever seen, guys. Is someone's gonna sleep in here?
Yeah, the boys are. The young fellas.
Okay. Cool. Puntahan natin si Baba. Andito siya. Baba? Where are you? Ang ganda ng flowers, guys. This is the old house daw. This is where Baba, Baba is there. This is where Baba grew up. Baba? Ang ganda, guys, oh. Diba? Ayan. Sa abot ng matatanaw nyo, yan yung kalupaan. Hacienda. Charot. Ayan, oh. Baba, show them, babe. This is the kitchen?
It used to be, this part of the house has all been pulled down. That used to be the,
this one here? This one?
room there, the bathroom there, and the front room is here. That was my room when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Used to have a balcony go all the way around. Lounge room in there, the old fireplace.
Ganun. Oh. What's that?
Don't stand on any, no.
Okay. Oh. This is how... Oh, is that kind of small, eh?
Yeah.
Small house.
We're taking out, but that was a bedroom in there as well.
Bedroom there. So that's used to be a bedroom. Lounge room here.
Yeah.
And a fireplace. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that your old bike?
That's my old bike from when we were kids in Mandurah.
Huh. So guys, this is where Baba grew up, in this
Well,
house.
up until I was this big, then we moved to that one.
Oh, you moved into the big one.
Yeah, that used to be a transportable house.
The what?
That used to be transportable. It
What is
came
it?
in on a truck.
Oh, okay.
And then Dad's
Oh.
it's had additions put on the front and the back.
So that's the new house now,
But,
guys.
Uncle Steve
Well,
and
it's
Dad and
not
Barry
new.
grew up here.
Here?
Yeah.
Daming mosquitoes. So this is where the lounge room here, guys. Ayun yung van namin, oh. Ayun sa labas, oh. But Baba is gonna move it somewhere here. Ayan. Si Baba nagbaback up na ng van. Pa-transfer niya dito. Yan. Hi peeps! Welcome back! Nagpunta kami ng sister-in-law ko sa tawag dito sa Woolly sa town of Kataning. Malayo siya ng konti, siguro mga 30 to 30 minutes ang layo from here, from farm papunta dun sa may parang town center nila. And namili kami ng mga kung ano-ano. Kinutom ako, so bumili ako ng protein wafer vanilla flavor. Pero para siyang chocolate na ewan. Ayan, ang sarap. Gusto nyo? I just had a shower and he used this. Dito, oh. He used the shower. Did it work properly?
It's not draining. So
Oh.
It must be something not turned on.
Oh. Higa-higa muna tayo, peeps.
Shower
Oh my God!
And a bath.
A bath!
Got a bath as well.
Jeez! This is fancy.
There's a lot, it?
Right here. Wow.
Bath as well.
It's big.
It's that extra foot either side and just makes like
The
this.
bed.
Is awesome. How good is this? Like,
It is. Yeah. And
okay.
so overnight, even 10 hours,
Yeah.
and then you solve. You don't check it. You sort of do, but you don't.
So guys, ayun yung Winnebago ng uncle ni Dan. Yung pinasok natin kanina. So peeps, we're going to... Where are we going, F? The dam. The dam to get some kerning. On your right here, Puppy Greg. No, on the right here, it's canola, right there. On the left, that's not canola, Ella, isn't it?
No, that's flowers.
Flowers. And if you can see from afar, sheeps right there. Ayan guys, so canola. Diba? Ang ganda. Maraming sheeps dun, oh. That's barley. Ay, sa barley. Tapos doon tayo galing ka rin nga, oh. So may mga sheeps doon. So that's the head of barley.
See the current?
Oh, it looks like rice as well. Rice grain.
It is when it's ripe.
Oh. There you go. So we're here na guys. Mangunguha tayo ng Kernex. Kernex. Para siyang combination ng shrimp and or prawn and para siyang may gloss. Parang ewan basta. Ayan na guys. Ito na yung ano tawag dito? Basta. Yung kagaya sa pag nangunguha ka ng nangunguha ka ng mga crabs. Ayan. Ayong dalawang bata doon na. Ito si Papi Greg. Ang ganda dito. As in. Ang ganda. Sa abot ng matatanaw niyo guys, yan yung part pa yan ng family farm. Hanggang dun sa kaduduluhan. Hanggang dun sa kaduluduluhan. Guys, welcome back. Nakatulog ako ng bongga. And, nagbo-bonfire na sila guys. Ito oh. Ayun guys, nagbo-bonfire na dun sila oh. Tapos tingnan mo yun oh. Ayan.
Jamie must have some. was just saying it.
Probably 40,000.
He's massively underrated.
We knew.
Hi peeps, nandito na ako sa sa van. Iniwan ko si Baba sa loob, dun sa kabila, sa loob ng farmhouse kasi ang ingay nila, nagiinuman pa sila. So ako, medyo pagod na ako. So sabi ko, punta man ako dito. Magdi-dessert ako. Binili ko to kanina. Ang sarap na ito. Sarap guys, oh. Chocolate. Ayan. Chocolate mousse. Good morning! Day 3? Or day 2? Can't remember. But it's Saturday and it's AFL Grand Finals. Baba, let's have breakfast. I'm getting hungry. The kids are outside already playing. I can hear Hudson.
He gets up early.
Yeah. Baba, get up. Breaky. Come on. Let's cook some eggs, peeps. How can I cook? Where's the thingy? This one here?
It up.
That one there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're cooking it all over it.
You don't have oil? Do you have oil?
No.
You're gonna cook this. You don't know oil. How are you gonna cook this?
Well, just go and get some from next door. There's a whole house there. There's a whole house there. No, I'm not getting. I'm sleeping in. No. I'm on holidays. Yeah.
Wala tayong oil, peeps. So, microwave na lang yung itlog. Cooking eggs in the microwave. Sounds like what, Baba?
Dinosaur.
Toast tayo ng bread, guys. Naluto ko na yung eggs namin for breakfast. Tsaka bread. Ayan. Babas din.
And soothing sounds of a lawnmower.
Soothing sound of a lawnmower.
The kids at 8 o'clock, they're already running or driving the lawnmower around.
Ayan, oh. Here's our breakfast, peeps. Baba, let's eat. Ang saya mag-camping, peeps. Kain tayo.
That's some toilet paper.
Where is it? No more there? Baba, you're using it? No! Can't really move here, right? Too small? Oh my god, they're still playing with the...
Try that all day.
Kappa tayo, guys. Kappa. Oh. They're still closed. They have nice windows there, babe. Like a proper window. Uncle Steve. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Ayun yung isang caravan over there, oh. Uncle ni Dan. Right there. Dun sila. Si Papi Greg dun, oh. Naglalaro ng football with Apo Hudson. So Baba is in the shower, peeps. Baba? Is it warming?
What?
Is it warming now?
No, it's cold as hell.
How's your shower, Baba?
Freezing, because I didn't turn that on.
Which one?
The button.
Oh, you did not. So magluluto tayo, guys, ng chicken wings tsaka kaldereta. Ito na yung mga ingredients natin. Kulang pa yan, andun yung iba. Lahat sila andun na sa shearing shed doon, oh. Kung nakikita nyo, yan, yung big na white na ano na yan. Andun na sila lahat kasi nakapag-set up na sila ng TV. Toka namin ni Danny na magluto ng food for everyone today. So, ito na yung sa amin. Ayan. And the girls are baking. Nag-bake sila ng cake for Papi Greg. Kasi birthday ni Papi Greg today. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun siya. Lapit na yung kaldereta, guys. Punong-puno yung kawali, oh. Frying some chicken wings. Ito na, guys. Yung first batch. Ayan na siya. Meron pa dito. Last batch na ng chicken ko, guys. Yung ibang food andun na sa kabila, dun sa may cheering shed. Dun sa kasi doon sila nanood ng ng grand finals. Wala kasing signal dito sa yung TV, walang signal dito sa loob ng farmhouse. Doon sila sa labas doon sa may cheering shed. Naka-ready na yung nila dun, guys. So, na sila, nagbo-bonfire. It's getting darker, guys. Nakikita nyo ba yon? Bonfire yun mamayang gabi. Ayan. Bugsay na si Baba. Are you drunk? Are you drunk?
Sleep.
Huh?
Sleep. Baby.
I think you're drunk.
I'm sleeping.
Okay. Editing a video for you to watch, peeps. And it's now 10 in the evening. Saturday today, grand finals 28th of September, and it's Papi Greg's birthday, my father-in-law. So happy birthday, Papi Greg, if you're watching. Char. And yeah, I'll be ending this vlog right here, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to always think positive, and I'll see you on my next one. Good night. Good night, Baba. Good night. Good night. Good night, Baba.
Good night, Baba.
Good night, guys.